Ripple has data from a recent Faster Payments Council survey on cryptocurrencies and blockchains, but is the survey's claim that regulation is a barrier true? Furthermore, Ripple has urged companies to use RippleNet for treasury payments while disclosing its 20 million transactions across 70 payout marketplaces. We will also discuss the value of de-risking in light of the recent XRP decline. Finally, Deaton previously stated that he expects a decision in the Ripple v. SEC case before the end of April. We will be looking more closely at the likelihood of such a forecast. Follow me through to the end to learn more. Welcome to our channel, where we discuss the most recent developments regarding XRP and the cryptocurrency industry in general. If you're watching one of our videos for the first time, we will be happy to offer you a special greeting. To ensure that you never miss another video, we ask you to click the notification button. We are presenting a 200 XRP prize on this channel. Have a chance. You only need to like this video and subscribe to the channel to take part. And leave a remark with the hashtag XRP, and on April 30, the winner will be revealed. According to Ripple's analysis, the field of payments can be improved by blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. Leading figures in the payment business believe blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies can significantly improve the payment industry, according to a recent Ripple analysis. However, they point to regulatory ambiguity as the main barrier to the adoption of cryptocurrencies. Data from a recent poll conducted by the Faster Payments Council was retrieved by Ripple. Ripple recently tweeted about the publication. According to the research, Ripple and the U.S. Faster Payments Council conducted a poll to learn about the advantages and difficulties of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies in the payment industry from up to 300 payment leaders. A whopping 97% of the 300 leaders polled in the survey felt that blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies might speed up payments within the next 3 years. These respondents think blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies could increase the value of customers in the sector. Despite numerous obstacles, the payment sector is slowly embracing cryptocurrencies. It is anticipated that there will be 5.5 million crypto payment users in the U.S. this year. In 3 years, this would represent an increase of 305%. Additionally, more than 50% of the respondents to the study think that most businesses will start accepting cryptocurrency payments within the next 1 to 3 years. The poll also aimed to determine the most important benefit that cryptocurrency can provide the payment sector, and 36% of participants named speedier payment resolution as the main advantage. The lower cost of domestic payments was mentioned by 19% of respondents, while 32% mentioned the lower cost of international payments. Only 17% of respondents to the survey are currently in favor of utilizing cryptocurrency for payments, even if most of them are thinking about it. Approximately 89% of these respondents cited regulatory uncertainty as the main barrier preventing the widespread use of cryptocurrency payments. Industry executives have voiced their concern over the absence of regulatory clarity in the crypto sector globally, with the U.S. in particular. The difficulties brought on by this uncertainty are exemplified by Ripple's current legal dispute with the U.S. SEC. Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, recently disclosed that if regulatory certainty is not obtained over the next few years, the exchange may think about leaving the United States. Some areas, including Hong Kong, are already taking action to solve this problem despite the regulatory uncertainty. Additionally, the Markets in Crypto Act, MiCA, rule to regulate crypto markets within the European Union was recently adopted by the European Union Parliament. The implementation of this system, which is regarded as the most thorough crypto regulatory framework internationally, is scheduled for next year. Respondents voiced worries about the environmental impact of cryptocurrencies in addition to regulatory ambiguity, which they believe prevents wider use. To solve this issue, Ripple has taken the lead in supporting several initiatives. Please remember to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to be the first to learn more information about recent XRP developments. Using Ripple's worldwide proprietary payments platform, RippleNet, the company has handled up to 20 million transactions totaling nearly $30 billion. Since its debut, Ripple's global exclusive payments platform, RippleNet, has completed up to 20 million transactions totaling almost $30 billion. This information was provided by the California-based blockchain technology company in a concise guide on how businesses might use RippleNet to streamline treasury payments. The instruction was recently provided in a tweet by fictitious XRP community influencer Wrath of Common, who highlighted the remarkable heights the payment solution has attained. With the help of the guide, Ripple hoped to promote the use of its payments platform as a way for businesses to improve their treasury payments. The payment solution from Ripple promises a wide range of services to assist in facilitating more effective treasury movements for companies. Access to Ripple's enormous worldwide network, which spans numerous nations like India, Brazil, the United Arab Emirates, Mexico, Singapore, the UK, and many more locations, is one of these services. These areas are responsible for the majority of global remittance flow, Ripple noted. Notably, India and Mexico, with $100 billion and $60 billion in remittances respectively, had the greatest levels of remittance inflows during 2022. Over the past 15 years, India has held the top position consistently. Additionally, Ripple emphasized that nearly 70 payout markets around the world now use its payments technology, with recent additions including Brazil, Singapore, Malaysia, France, and Sweden. Up to 90% of the worldwide foreign currency market is represented by this number. Businesses no longer have to worry about poor adoption thanks to this. Ripple completed more than $1 billion worth of transactions in the Asia-Pacific area alone during the first quarter of 2022, according to data from the guide. India and Singapore are among the nations in the Asia-Pacific area. It's important to note that Ripple recently published a document outlining 3 use scenarios for its RippleNet service, each involving 3 different partners. One of these use cases is the flow of treasury. Remittances and SME payments make up the other 2. In the paper, Ripple noted that businesses spend an estimated $3.5 billion to resolve treasury flow-related disputes, with up to $10 trillion in cash that might be used for pre-funding. These problems are what Ripple's payment system aims to solve. To streamline its treasury, the company highlighted people as a platform that uses the solution. XRP is not immune to the severe decline seen by the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, the cryptocurrency market as a whole is experiencing a severe decline, and XRP has not been exempt from the assault. David Schwartz, CTO at Ripple, has emphasized the significance of using a de-risking strategy even with one's XRP holdings throughout this current decline. In response to a statement from an XRP investor who stated that he had implemented a month-long de-risking plan on his XRP holdings, Schwartz made this disclosure in a recent tweet. An anonymous XRP investor by the name of Sir Clown Sniper recently disclosed that up to 55% of his holdings were sold as XRP fell to $0.45. Even though this isn't typically an optimistic result, the investor said he feels a lot better, not being as exposed to XRP. He also said that over the past month, he has been reducing the risk associated with his XRP investment. In response to this disclosure, David Schwartz stated that it is a rational and smart choice for an investor to use a technique to reduce risk exposure to an asset. He stressed, however, that regardless of whether the market is in an uptrend or a slump, investors are hesitant to use this method. Furthermore, there will never be a suitable occasion. Market at a high. Perhaps it will increase. Low market. Accompany choices about investments. De-risking is a tactic used by investors to reduce the risks connected with a specific asset, in this case, XRP. This may entail, among other things, diversifying one's investment holdings or utilizing risk management techniques like stop-loss orders. The objective is to limit potential losses while keeping exposure to the asset's potential upside. Schwartz's comments coincide with the general market downturn that has sent XRP to a 4-week low of $0.45. For the first time this month, XRP broke below the $0.48 price level, despite the bull's determination to maintain the asset's price up. Recall that when the asset was trading at $0.50, seasoned analyst XRP indicated that a decline to $0.40 for XRP was still feasible. XRP argued that the asset's anticipated rebound would not necessarily be invalidated by this decline because XRP below $1 offers investors a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. XRP is currently trading at $0.45, down 1.16% over the last day. The important question of the day is as follows. Judge Tories will decide by the following week. Judge Tories will decide by the following week. Please remember to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to be the first to learn more information about recent XRP developments. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and California-based technology company Ripple engaged in a protracted legal dispute that lasted more than 28 months. The date of the ultimate decision has been the subject of numerous rumors, with the most recent coming from two pro-XRP attorneys who predicted that the verdict might be rendered by the end of April. A few weeks ago, renowned lawyer John Deaton predicted that Judge Annalisa Torres might deliver a decision on the case by the end of this month. He pointed to prior trends in the U.S. judges' rulings in response to the Daubert motions. Deaton pointed out that if a decision is not rendered by May 6 at the latest, it would be incongruous with how Judge Torres has handled other cases. There are 12 days left before May 6 and 7 days left for April to end. The crypto community might anticipate a decision on the matter in the next 2 weeks if this prediction comes true. Notably, crypto influencer Ben Armstrong, also known as BitBoy, predicted that by his convictions, a decision might be made in June or July. Ashley Prosper, a member of the XRP community, agrees with lawyers Deaton and Filing in this regard. In a recent tweet, Prosper noted that on April 27, it will have been 52 days after Judge Torres decided the Daubert motions. Prosper claimed that a decision on the summary judgment might be made next week by using examples from previous instances. But Prosper admitted, along with other XRP community members, that the Ripple versus SEC. Judge Torres has never handled a case like this one before, so it may take longer this time. Attorney Deaton stated earlier this month that he did not hold Judge Torres accountable for the delay in her decision, saying that a decision in the case would be one of the most significant decisions she has ever made in modern history, trade, and finance, while doing a broadcast on crypto law. Amid this anticipation, Deaton has persisted in expressing confidence in a positive decision. In a statement made last week, he expressed his confidence that Judge Torres would find that XRP tokens sold in secondary markets are not securities, and neither is the token itself. Deaton most recently said that the SEC will lose the lawsuit, citing 4 decisions rendered by several judges rejecting the agency's claims in prior cases. Further fueling rumors that the agency may lose is Gary Gensler's reluctance to firmly classify XRP and Ethereum as securities at a recent congressional oversight session. So, gentlemen, this concludes the video. If you found it enjoyable, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and press the notification bell. I find that the YouTube algorithm is greatly aided by this. Sharing this video with as many people as you can will also help enlighten others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Let's spread the word about this, guys. If you're a real cryptocurrency enthusiast, don't miss a thing. We'll chat about the most recent news that affects our entire community tomorrow.